Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The Manchester police are probing a deadly blaze in Manville yesterday that claimed the life of a senior citizen. The police say 75-year-old Yvonne Findlay of Sheridan Drive in Manville died before daybreak yesterday. About 2 a.m., residents saw fire coming from Findlay's house and summoned the police. Firefighters were also called and carried out cooling down operations. Findlay's remains were later found. The scene was processed and the remains removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. Police here have charged a 28-year-old man with multiple offenses following a deadly shootout in the community of Kilmarnock a week ago. He is Damien Wright, a laborer of Gordon District, Westmoreland. He has been charged with 4 counts of shooting with intent, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition as well as a breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA. 3 other men, said to be Wright's cronies, were fatally shot during the gun battle in Kilmarnock last Thursday night. Kilmarnock is located at the border of St. Elizabeth and 2 of the deceased men have since been identified. They are 30-year-old Roger King, unemployed of Vanessa Avenue, Spanish Town in St. Catherine, and 21-year-old Romaine Kamani Thomas otherwise called Guzman of Gordon District, White House in Westmoreland. The police are seeking the public's assistance in identifying the third man. According to reports on April 22, a motorist was held up at gunpoint and his vehicle stolen in White House, Westmoreland. Acting on information, the police intercepted the stolen car with 4 men on board in Kilmarnock. The constabulary's corporate communication unit said that about 11:05 p.m. the police were engaged in a shootout with a gunman. When the shooting subsided, 3 men were seen suffering from gunshot wounds and taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. The 4th man, who it is alleged tried to flee the scene, was found at a nearby premises. The Browning pistol was seized shortly after the shootout. 2 days later the police seized a 9mm pistol with 5 9mm cartridges during the search of a premises in the community.